Hello everyone. Today in this session, I will take you through flexible and customizable OnPrintShop B2B solution and how it can help you engage from small to large B2Bs and franchisee chains. In this session, we'll understand how PSP is serving B2B growing sales with OnPrintShop, as well as I will also demonstrate OnPrintShop B2B corporate management with specific case studies where we have helped PSPs to solve their B2B and corporate customer unique challenges and requirement by using OnPrintShop B2B module. Working with printers globally where some of them rank in top 100 printers, they are also falling in PI 400 top printers list. We understood that corporate order from PSPs via three major types, and this type can be break up in print on demand, distribution, stock and warehouse items for pre-printed items, and they also require printing quotes via custom code and request for code from printers. So these are three majority types corporates are demanding printing from print service providers. And especially when you're offering print on demand and distribution services to your clients, it is very important to understand that depending on corporate type and size, their ordering needs are different. Small corporate ordering needs are completely different than large corporates. And majority they are divided in three major types. Type 1 of the corporates are single person ordering where they only have one or two user order print and stock items. And normally these people order from a public store from predefined templates and portfolio. Type 2 can be classified as a medium corporates. They want all their employees to log in into a private store specifically designed for corporates, and they order company collaterals as per their locations, and they also have a budget and approval process. Type 3 can be classified as MNC and franchisee network. Their need is completely different than Type 1 and Type 2. They have MNCs locations in multiple countries. They want each location to order, and they have a user-wise level, budget, cost centers, ordering control, rule-based templates, even address books, and many often they have their own ERP like SAP and Ariba, and they want all their ordering to be done from that ERP instead of web to print. So they also use punch out ERP as well. So we will explain in this session each of the case studies and how we have helped print service providers to meet their unique customer demands. So this is a case study one, which is our customer who is a marketing agency. They always serve, and their key customers are corporates. They outsource all printing to vendors, and the vendor is a trade printer who has also implemented OnPrintShop for the resellers. And this marketing agency is one of the key customer is real estate, one of the key accounts. So we have taken this case study where they have 200 plus agents and 100 plus internal employees are ordering from the store. And one of the major print ordering is mailing for the new property listing. And they were ordering through the client's old web to print, but they faced a lot of challenges, especially ordering the postcards with complex layers in the templates and image personalization, which was not available in the last web to print, as well as ordering wide format. They need a lot of real estate signs here, yard sign banners, which was not supported in the last web to print they were using, and managing orders from internal agents and internal employees because they have a budget as well as cost center. They want all internal employees order through pay on account, but they want all agents to order real estate collaterals by using an online payment. So now I will showcase how we have helped these marketing agencies to solve the unique challenges of his real estate firm. Now this is a sample private store for the Dream Real Estate company. And here if you can see, this is a personalized branded to the Dream Realtors. The URL can also be personalized. A unique URL can be given to each of your corporates, and their branding can be given, so you can give them a personalized private store. The complete store is responsive, so they can also log in from a smartphone or tablet. Now coming back, the marketing agency was serving this real estate company, and the first challenge was differentiating the products and templates for internal employees as well as agents. So using B2B module OnPrintShop, they're able to differentiate and solve the first challenge. So let me show you. First, I'm logging in as an agent. So Kevin is one of the external agent. When they log in as an agent account, they would see all the items they have available as agents. So these are all Dream Real Estate collaterals agents can order, starting from pull-up banners, yard signs, rack cards, business card, t-shirt and badges, the postcards. And if I log in as one of the employees, they have a different products and templates. So now here on a different browser, I am showing you logging of a Mark. Mark is an internal employee. When Mark logs in, he see a different items. So when he logs in, he see a dream theater collaterals, but their collaterals are different. So first of all, the major difference is the business card. The business card is different for the internal employees versus the business card is different for the external agents. Second, agents are ordering many postcards, personalized items, which is not ordered by internal employees, so they do not have those products. Third, there is a kit items because a lot of agents are ordering the welcome kit, which is a predefined fixed kit which real estate company has set up for them. So agent is able to order a welcome kit, like if there is a new agent, they're able to order a pen, bag, folder, kit summary. So here they're able to put how many they need and they're able to order this kit. They're also able to see, because it is a stock and predefined item, they're also able to see the complete stock here and they're able to order this kit. Now this kit is not available for internal employees because that is only available to external agents. So first challenge they were having, managing internal employees and agent accounts onto the same store. They are able to differentiate because in OnPrintShop they're able to create the departments, and within the departments they're able to differentiate the product. Now in both the accounts, they're able to give them many of the stock items, kit products, and online personalized templates. So here this is an example of a business card, and I have logged in as a Kevin, which is an agent account. So if I log in as a Kevin and if I click on a business card, system auto populates all the information of Kevin into this business card because we already know who is Kevin, what is his designation, what is his number. So we have this auto populate onto a template. We are creating the user profile and corporate profile. So as soon as agent logs in, they are able to submit their personal information and we are auto populating onto a template. So we are saving a lot of time of the users because everything is auto populated. And we have this PDF template engine, which is a most stable PDF library which we have used, which allows you to set up any complex template as a simplified online personalized template. Here also you can build a lot of personalized and advanced rules. So for example, Kevin doesn't have a cell number. If I delete the cell number, it would automatically take the position, like fax would take the position of cell number, and automatically all other text have been vertically mapped using this. If I remove any of the text or if I add any of the text, it would automatically adjust. And in this business card of an internal employee, like I have logged in as a Mark. So if I log in and click on this business card, it has a different format. It has a picture on it. So automatically the picture of an internal employee as well as all the details will be auto populated. So automatically I have logged in as a Mark, his picture and information is auto populated. So here this is an example how they are able to differentiate offering for their external agents and internal employees. Second, they were also having challenges offering a lot of products because they were only able to offer the limited business cards, stationery products. They were not able to offer the wide format products, but using OnPrintShop now they're able to offer wide format, custom size and fixed size products like yard signs, and the agents are also able to personalize those online. Plus they are also able to order many of other items like promotionals, apparels, items like badges. Because we have all the details of agents stored, everything is auto populated whenever they select a template. Even they are able to offer them products like calendars. So this is a multi-page calendar where agent is able to order predefined set calendar, but if they would like to personalize start month and month, they're able to personalize. So because OnPrintShop has a wide range of product support starting from commercial to wide format to calendars to mailing products, they're able to offer multiple products. And the third challenge which they were having was offering the postcard templates with mailing. Now first challenge was this complex layer based templates. Now here in this postcard there is a layer and there is an image right in the back. So image doesn't go top of the layer, and in their old web2print they were facing a lot of challenges in providing this such kind of templates. So they were processing this kind of template manually. So agents were giving a lot of images and their graphic designer was creating this template manually one by one. Now instead of that, now this template is set up into OnPrintShop and agents are able to personalize in matter of seconds. So now let me show you now here. These are the text fields agent is able to change, and I am also able to replace this image. So image is right in the back. So now let me upload a new image. Now here agents are allowed to upload new property image. Many of the times you have to create image library specific for the corporate, and you want to map or log this image library per template. You're also able to do it. So users are not able to add their personal images. They have to use the images from the library of the B2B which you have defined. You can also do that, but here it is open, so I'm also able to upload a new image. Or this is a Dream Realtor image library. I'm also able to pick up the images from the real estate library. So just show an example. I'm adding an image and I'm updating the preview. The image goes right in the back. So there is a mask layer on top of it, which is not affected, and image goes in the back end. And this was the challenge. Now in the back side, there are a lot of text fields, but automatically Kevin's information is auto-populated. So Kevin just have to check, put the postcard description. For example, this is a just sold postcard, so he wants to write the description for the property which he has sold. He can do it, and all the other information like his telephone number, his name, his agent number is auto populating onto a template. The another challenge was offering the mailing. So let me show you how we have simplified the mailing ordering for this real estate account for the marketing agency. Now here, after they personalize the postcard, they have option of selecting USPS EDDM, which is offered by the marketing agency to them. And before that, this facility was not available in the old Web2Print, but because we have a mailing module where we have integrated USPS EDDM, they're able to simplify this. So now agent is selecting that I need to mail this postcard and using EDDM. So automatically the USPS integrated Google map will open up, which is specially developed by OnPrintShop. Here they're able to put the postcode and they're able to find a specific route codes. So I'm able to put a specific postcode and all relevant route codes will be displayed. This would directly come from the USPS and Google API. Now here I'm able to select, as soon as I see a route code, I'm able to select those route codes and see how many number of records are available. So for example, if I select this, then 376 residential addresses are there, 45 business addresses are there. I am also able to select and see the route codes, the income group, the age, and the size. So I am able to select the route codes I like, and automatically it would increase the number of quantities. So total delivery address is 790. So as an agent, I'm able to personalize my postcard and send this into a specific postal codes. I would just save and continue, and these route codes will be saved, and agent will be able to see how many mailing quantity he has selected. So he has selected total 1582. If he needs anything extra, like he wants any extra postcard, then he can also ship it to his own address. If he wants to mail 1582 to a specific USPS address, rest of them extra he would need it, then he can order it. Or he can say, I do not want any extra, I want this 1582 directly mailed to the route codes I selected. So I would say 1582, and I can agree the terms and condition. I see a printing and mailing cost, postage price, and I would able to check this out. Another example which I would like to show you is uploading the mail list. Now this is an example of a postcard where I will also show you mass personalization using CSV. So as an agent, I'm able to design this postcard for my recipients. I have a list of 100 recipients which are my regular customers, and I would like to send this postcard personalizing their name on it. So here, hello first name, I want all my users name on it. On the back side, I already have their addresses, so I want to put on there. So I can personalize this postcard and go to a next step and upload my own mailing list. So here I'm not selecting the EDDM USPS services. Instead, I have my own mailing list and I want to use it. So this previously it is already there. So as soon as I ordered, all my list would be stored. So if I already have a previous list, I can select, or if I want to upload a new list, I can also upload a new list. Now, a lot of challenges are here in terms of for printers when they allow their users to upload their own mail list. Now, many of the times the format is completely different in terms of what they require, because their mailing list would have their own column names versus what you need to process that mailing. And a lot of time you need to spend to merge those columns and accounts. So here we have created this mapping tool which would allow users, when they order, to map their columns of CSV they have uploaded or an Excel they have uploaded versus the predefined format which you have done from the backend. So now here they're able to map their columns with your predefined columns. So this would recreate a new CSV if they have a different columns. So many of the extra fields, if they do not want to include, they can remove it. So you as a printer or you as a marketing agency would always get a proper formatted Excel when customers are selecting uploading their own mailing list. So I'm selecting that I want to send this 101 this particular postcard, so I would upload and save. Now into a next stage, what I would like to show you is mass personalization using CSV. Now I do not want the same postcard to be sent to each and every 100 lists. So I would use this mass template personalization where I'm uploading my own mail list CSV which I want to personalize their name and their addresses. So first of all, with every template, system creates a sample CSV which is automatically done by the system, which would give a user an idea how many fields are available onto a template. So in this Excel sheet, there is a front side, first name, last name, there is a back side. In the back side, there is an address of line 1, address 2, all the recipient's address. So if I want to do a mass personalization, I have to fill all this data and upload it here. I already have one sample CSV created, so I would like to show you. So this is a sample CSV, so you can have a look. I have filled 100 different data on it. So in the front side, I want to personalize each of these name. In the back side, I want to personalize, these are all the addresses. So I would upload this mail list here, and I would show you how in matter of seconds system would generate mass personalization postcard. So I would upload this list, and in mass personalization option, it would show me how many records I have uploaded. I have uploaded 100 records. I can also see all the details what I have uploaded, and then if I have any errors, I can also check it here. But then here I can map all the CSV list columns versus the template column. So first name goes to first name, the number is default, address line is 1, 2, backside name should go to name, backside. So you can also keep some information default if it doesn't change to all the postcard, and whatever variable information you have, you can map with the CSV. Now I am clicking on sample preview, and I would like to show you in matter of seconds system would create 100 different postcards. So let me open this file. Now this is a first page. Now you can see hello to Ackerman. This is a address. This is Andrew Backham. This is Andrew Backham address. So first page and the last page is personalized per records differently. So this is 200 pages PDF, and using mass personalized CSV in matter of second, system generates a mass personalization postcard. So this way they are able to offer mailing products with a lot of variety of options to this agents as well as to Dream Real Estate internal employees. Now because they are the agent, when they are ordering, they want them to pay online, so they do not offer any pay on account. So when internal employees are ordering, they're able to use the pay on account, but because this is an agent account, I have to pay online. These external agents are allowed to order all the collaterals, postcards, but they need to pay online when they're ordering any collaterals from the Dream Real Estate company. But when I use an internal employee account, they're able to check out using pay on account. So here when I log in as a internal employee Mark, I see a pay on account is offered to me, so I can process his order without any online payment. Now agents are ordering with online payment, so there is no approval because they are paying for their orders. But when internal employees are ordering, they have set up an approval process. So immediate manager email is sent to request an approval. So now let me show you how a Mark internal employee has ordered. The email will go to an immediate manager of Mark, and he will come and approve. Now this is an approval process, so any internal employee orders, the manager will get the email notification. Now manager could be a manager of a specific department, like only approving the orders of internal employees, or he can be also a manager of overall organization, so he can be given an access to internal employee and the agent accounts. So now Paul is a manager. Now he'll get an email that there is a new order approval is required, so he would be able to see who has placed an order. So Mark Jackson, who is an internal employee, has ordered this. If he needs to approve directly, he can have a link here, so he can say approve orders. As soon as he clicks, he would be redirected to the storefront where he is able to see that order. Now, because Paul is a manager, first of all, system is asking whether he wants to approve any orders of internal employee or he would like to see any orders placed by agents. But this is an internal employee account. So if I select that, as soon as I enter, I see that 649, which has to be approved. So he can now approve this order, and this would trigger an email again back to the original user who has placed this order, who is marked that his order has been approved, and this would also trigger an email to the printer that he can start processing this order. But here, because Mark has order and Paul is a manager, Paul is also able to have a complete clarity on all the orders placed by employees under him. So I can select all the orders of an internal employees, and I can see who has ordered what and what are the stages. And if I want to check any orders from agents, I'm also able to select because I'm a manager. So I can also see what orders are placed by external agents and what are their statuses. So managers are given an access checking the orders on multiple departments. So they are able to approve and see orders, and because they are a manager themselves, they are also able to order if they need anything else as well. So they are approver as well as an online user on the store. Now I would like to show you a unique feature of OnPrintShop, which is a B2B admin panel and MIS. Now above all, this real estate company had a corporate head office and they wanted to control everything there as well, because they had a lot of agents, like 100 plus agents and 200 plus employees, and a lot of print ordering started, but they wanted to have a complete control. And because of OnPrintShop has a unique feature called B2B admin panel, the marketing agency was able to give them this access and they were able to see all this. So this is a B2B admin panel. So every store you create on OnPrintShop, automatically this backend admin will be created. Now this admin is specific for this Dream Real Estate private store. So whatever orders, users, information this store has, this would be displayed in this admin panel. So this can be given an access to the corporate head office managers. They have this access and they're able to see every information from here. So a lot of dependency they were having of asking how many orders they have reports, it is all clarified, because here they're able to see the number of orders pending for approval. So if any manager is not available and they have to override the approval from here, they're able to do it. Plus they have all the information of the number of accounts active on this store. So if any employee leaves, they're able to deactivate those accounts. They're also able to change the pay on account, budget, even define access roles for the managers. They're also able to set custom approval rules. If they do not want every orders to be approved, they're able to create custom rules as well. Plus they have access to all the reports. So end of the year, if they want to run through, or every month they want to run through all the reports, for example, number of orders placed by different employees and agents, they're able to extract it by going inside this admin panel. They do not have to be dependent on printers or ask them over the email. They are having a complete access of this admin panel and they are able to run this report without any dependency. Plus they are also having a benefit because real estate company had a marketing team, and because they were updating collaterals very often, this marketing team require an access to update the template. So in this private store, whatever new templates, whatever new postcards they had, the marketing team was uploading. So in the B2B admin, we also have a sub-admin access. So here Dream Realtor corporate office created a sub-admin for the marketing team. So marketing team is now able to see a limited item, and we can restrict them what each of the admin type can see. Corporate head office managers are able to see everything, but the marketing team only needs to update the templates. So here they have given a limited access, and the marketing team is able to see the number of template available. If they have a new versions, they're able to upload a new version from here and deactivate the old ones. So this is how the complete real estate account is solved. Not only the challenges were solved, but they also get a lot of new features which they were not having in the old web2print system, and this is how they were able to solve the unique challenges of the real estate accounts that they had.